Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be who will you marry or who is your future spouse. This is most requested reading, so I'm doing it right now. So who will you marry or who is your future spouse? So let's see what spirits and angels will tell us. So we have two piles here. Pile 1 is red and pile 2 is yellow heart. So you can choose any pile as per your intuition, or if you need more time you can pause the video and you can select the pile. And please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. If you want any personal reading you can contact my email ID, contact me. My email ID and details are given below, so you can ask for the personal reading. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If at all my readings are resonating with you, please mention in the comment box so that I will know that I am going in a right direction or I am predicting the messages properly from the spirits. Okay, so that's all. Without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Who is your future spouse? Who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is their future spouse or who will they marry? Whoever chose this red heart, who will they marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I want 3 cards and 3 cards came. The death. Your partner might be Scorpio, the devil. Okay, then justice. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Okay, so your partner might be Scorpio or Capricorn or Libra. So you can take it however you feel it. But this person, I feel that this person is somebody who you know already, or for some of you, you have ended some relationship with this person. You had the connection earlier, but you had broke up with them, or for some people, you divorced also because he is your ex actually, or maybe if you are looking for second alliances or something like that, but your ex will come back. Okay, so you, this person, you have ended the connection. Death happened for this connection, but it is reborn again. It is uh, death and rebirth. Okay, so this again this connection is blossoming or blooming, I can say. It is already dead, but now it started blossoming or blooming. And this person is obsessively thinking about you and they want to meet you, they want to desperately communicate with you, and they want you in their lives. Maybe they are repenting, maybe you had a fight, or this person had some addictions in the past. So now they want to communicate with you and they want to clear all the miscommunications that happened between you, and they want to reconcile, or they want to propose you. Okay, this person. So this is the person you are going to get married, but some of the viewers says no, no, we don't want x. Okay, so it's definitely in your hands, right? If you want to accept the person or not, that is in your hands. But what spirits are saying that there are more possibilities that you will marry your ex itself. Okay, that is what they are saying, because justice is there. You will get the justice for this connection. Maybe you broke, or that person broke up the relationship with you, not you. Maybe you loved that person dearly and you wanted that person to be in your life, but still that person broke up with you, or rejected you, or abandoned you, or blocked you. Okay, I can see all the things here. Some blockage, some fight, some divorce for some of you, breakup, some legal battles. Maybe you have some, for some of the viewers, you have the child custody battles, legal cases going on. Okay, so all these things, all the possibilities I can see in this pile. So now let's ask another different decks. Okay, I will do the detailed reading today. Who will you marry? Who will my pile one marry? Please, Spirit, give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Who will my pile one people marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity. So today I'm work from home, so I have logged in and I'm doing this reading. Okay. Communication. Okay. Eight of Wands. As I said already, this person will definitely communicate with you. Three of Cups. As I told you, you know this person. This person is your friend. Ace of Cups. New beginning. Okay. Let's see bottom of the deck. Nine of Cups. Okay. So this person feels that you are their wish fulfillment, and they came to know lately, maybe after the divorce, maybe after the breakup, they came to know that you are their wish fulfillment, and whatever they want, it is there in you. Now this person is realizing, after working so hard on themselves, like they worked on their finance, career, health, physique, figure. Okay, now they are patiently waiting for you, and this person is pretty much single. They are patiently waiting for you, and they maybe they rejected you in the past, or they broke up with you in the past. Maybe they needed some time. Okay, so because they were not happy with themselves, so they wanted some time on their own. So they wanted freedom, they wanted to have financial independence, because all these factors mattered earlier for them. But after broke up, after you both got separated, this person realized that no, this person is my soulmate, this person is my wish fulfillment. Now this person want to communicate with you. Definitely this person will come back to you, maybe in the month of August. Okay, so this person will communicate with you first, maybe call or a text, then or through mutual friends also this person will communicate with you. Okay, this person want to celebrate with you, and they want to have a new beginning in this connection. Ace of Cups means this is passionate, not passionate actually, emotional, then loving relationship they want, and they want to have a beautiful new beginning in this connection. Okay, their cup is overflowing with love and emotions. So definitely they want to give another chance to this connection. So this person want to come back to you in come back to your life. Okay, so let's see more cards, let's pull more cards and know who is your person. Who will my pile number one marry? Who will they marry? Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Please give us some clarity and guidance. Okay, I don't want so many cards. Let's take the cards, friends. Initiate. Okay, they want to initiate the communication. Page. They want everything is communication, communication only. Okay, then Five of Spears. Okay, and bottom of the deck it is Temperance. Okay, they want balance in this connection, and they want to initiate, they want to propose you, they want to communicate. Page also is a communication card. Page of Wands, they are very much desperately they want to see you, they want to meet you, they want to have a physical intimacy. Even if you had any physical intimacy earlier, this person is constantly thinking about that, because the Devil card also came earlier. So this person want to have that again. Okay, they want to have, but this time they have changed, like completely changed, and they want to have a very emotional, loving, caring, passionate relationship with you. Okay, so definitely this person want to initiate, and they want to communicate with you, and they want to propose you. Okay, and they want to come actually directly to see. I cannot see anything else, friends, in this whole spread. Only communication, only contact, that is only I'm getting. Okay, so you both are hurt in this connection. I know that this person is a past person and you both are hurt, you both are wounded, but still you both are not leaving each other. You are walking in the same page. If you are walking front, and this person will follow you, or if you are they are walking front, you will follow them, but anyways you both are together. You don't want to get separated from each other. And there are so many secrets, hidden secrets earlier in your connection, but they want to forget everything, forget the past, and they want to start up friend a new connection. Okay, whoever chose this pile red heart, so I feel that this is the definitely a past person. They want to come to you, and definitely this person wants to marry you, but it is in your hands. Okay, if you accept that person or not, this is entirely up to you. I'm nobody to comment on that or advise you. Okay, this is what spirits are saying. So let's pull some initials so that you can resonate with this reading. Let's pull some initials so that you can resonate with the reading. So I have M here, E, A, Y, then U, H. This is not coming, friends. U and H both are together. Okay, this is stuck together. It's not coming. So maybe you take it however it resonates. H and U, then P, V, W, S and O. Okay, so these might be your person's first name, middle name or last name. Please take it however it resonates. So these are the initials that your future spouse might be having. If you like this reading, if it is resonating with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That will be a great help if you comment also, so that I know that my readings are resonating with you. Okay, that's all for today. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? Or who is your future spouse? Let's ask angels and spirit guides. Who will they marry and who is their future spouse? Spirits, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is their future spouse? Whoever chose this yellow heart, who is their future spouse? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Okay, death. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I feel your future spouse might be Scorpio, Pisces. Wheel of Fortune, so that means any fixed signs, that might be Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio and Taurus. Anybody, these signs, your future spouse might be any one of these signs. Okay, so death and the moon. Okay, so earlier you had a relationship with this person. It is looking like a same continuation of pile number 1. So you know this person, you had some intimate moments with this person, or you had some like few years. For some of you, I'm getting the message that for few years you were with this person. Okay, so maybe after that your mother or their mother had put some fights in between you. Okay, this is kind of a family fight, I feel that, for some of you, and you both got separated because of that. And for some of you, I can see that this is long distance relationship also. Maybe this person, after you broke up with this person left you and went abroad or settled there, something like that. But now the wheel of fortune, wheel is turning into your favor, and the same thing will come into your life again. That means whatever the happy moments you had earlier in the past, the same happy moments will be coming in the future also. That means that you will marry the same person. But to get more clarity, we will pull some more cards. Sorry. So, spirits and angels, who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry and who is their future spouse? Whoever chose this yellow heart. Let's pull some more cards. The Tower, King of Wands, the Sun. Wow. Bottom of the deck, it is Five of Pentacles. Yes, definitely. The same cards came in the previous reading also. If you want, you can see the other reading also, because both are similar. So you both were in a relationship. Now the things are a little bit clear for me to read. So you both were in the relationship in the past, and you both are hurt actually. You both hurt each other. So maybe you exchanged some bad words or something like that, or some bad moments in your life, or a nasty fight. Okay, so because of that, you both are separated, both are wounded, and there are many secrets in this relationship. You both are not expressing the feelings to each other. You both are hiding your feelings. That is what I can see. So because of that, you both are hurt, you are wounded, but still you both are together. You are not leaving each other. Okay, so if you are walking in the front, your person is following you, or if your person is walking, then you are following. So something like that, you both are not separated from each other. Still you are together only. Maybe not in 5D, maybe in the 3D, you both are like together. So the Tower, that means something will happen unexpectedly. So you are not expecting any call, message, or anything from this person. This will happen unexpectedly. This person suddenly, he might bump up or pop up into your life, or they might suddenly call or text or message you. Okay, so whatever happens in between you, this is a unexpected turn. The wheel of fortune, the wheel is turning unexpectedly. Okay, you didn't even expect that this person will come back to your life. Okay, he'll come back like a king. Okay, so they have all the qualities, they have developed themselves, they groomed themselves, and they will come with passionate feelings towards you, and they will fill your life with happiness, and you both will have a son. Or if you have son already, then you both will reconcile. If you both are like married and got separated, then you will have a son. Both of you will have a son together. Okay, so this is very very happy and positive reading, friends. And you know what is the meaning of the sun card. It is the most happiest card in the tarot deck. So you will be very very happy after this person comes into your life, and whatever past happy moments are there, again they will come back into your life. Let's see more cards. Let's pull more cards. Spirits and angels, who will they marry? Who will they marry? Whoever chose this yellow heart, who will they marry? Okay, I don't want so many cards, Spirit. Okay, let's see. The bottom of the deck, the Emperor. Wow. And Three of Moons, Astrologer, then the Astronomer. Okay, so definitely Emperor and Empress are together here. So you are for most of you, I feel that you both were wife and husband once in your life. So both whatever today's reading I am doing. Okay, so the reading shows that this is for a married couple, or this is for second alliance. Whoever is looking for second alliance, for them it is resonating more than singles. Okay, okay, so this person is like an emperor. Maybe they are very rich, wealthy, and they are in a high post or position, but they have a little bit egotist. They are a little bit egotistical, and they want the victory at all the cost. Okay, so the emperor means the king of kings. right? So this person is narcissistic at times. Because of that only maybe you left this person. They want to rule you, they want to command you, okay. So because of that only you left this person. Then this person is coming back, and you will have a celebration together. This, because three of moons is there, that means definitely you will celebrate with this person, okay. Whatever you had earlier in your life, like parties, celebrations, okay, going out, maybe traveling, going to beaches, going to different countries, enjoying, all these things will come back to your life. Maybe you are missing right now all these things. Maybe you are missing all the fun that you had before with this person, but at the same time you are little scared that this person is a kind of controlling person, okay, like emperor, like a police army. They will control you, they want to have control on you. Whatever they say, you have to do it. Because of that maybe you are not going back to this person, but definitely this person will come back to you, because they feel that you are their wish fulfillment or soulmate. Because of that they will come back to you. Then they see you as their children's mother, okay, the wife material, then mother of their children. You are very attractive, abundant, okay. So now they want to come back to you, and they feel that you have a lot of money, fame, beauty, everything. You have whatever you want, you have in your life. So now they are slowly getting attracted to you. Okay, without me also this person can survive. Okay, without me, without my help, this person is standing on their ground. So that confidence they liked. So now they want to come back into your life, okay. So the who will you marry? You will marry the past person only. Whoever you dealt with for years, that person will be coming back into your life. So you will marry the same person. So I'm sorry if you don't like this reading, because I don't know why, but spirits are saying that this is the past person, okay. So this is maybe not for the singles, but please take it however it resonates. And I will pull some initials of your person, initials of your future spouse. Okay, let's see. T, D, V, Y, U, E, X, N, H, A, B, R. Okay, so these are all the initials of your person. This might be their first name, middle name, last name. Please take it however it resonates with you. So that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until the next reading, bye.